Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this video, we are going to talk about arithmetic operators. So we are going to discuss addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In order to do that, we can have the print keyword, and in the parentheses, we can have the numbers, for example, 5 plus 3 or 10 divided by 4. I run the code now. We see the output 5 plus 3, the output is 8. And we are having 10 divided by 4, the output is 2.5. We could also have this message being shown. So for example, sum of 5 and 3 is this message being shown out. And we could also have the division of 10 by 4 is. So if I have this message, it's more clear in the output to understand the 8 came from where. Okay, the sum of 5 and 3 is 8. The division of 10 by 4 is 2.5. Okay, and another way to have these is like this. So x equals 10, for example, y equals 4. Let me just choose another number. So y equals 4. Now I could have, for example, z equals x plus y, h equals x minus y, for example. We could have, for example, q equals x multiplied by y, and w equals x divided by y. And then I could print out their values. So let me use this keyword. So I can have this. The first one is z, then h, q, and w. And I could have the message, the sum of x and y. I could have this sorry, I forgot the code. The subtraction of x and y, the multiplication of x and y, and we could have it here, the division of x and y. So let me explain what I did here. So what previously we were printing out the sum directly using the numbers, but I would like to use variables in the print out keyword function. So for example, variable z, print variable z, h, q, or w. To do that, I'm declaring x and y. X equals 10, 20, and y equals 5. I'm having z equals x plus y. So 20 plus 5 is going to be assigned to z. We expect it to be 25. And then I'm having x minus y is assigned to a variable named h. So 20 minus 5, we expect it would be 15, and x multiplied by y, its value is assigned to q, and we expect to see 100 here, and also x divided by 5, the output we expect it to be 4, is assigned to w. And we are going to print the sum of x and y, and we are going to print x, which is this part. Then the subtraction of x and y, which is this part, we're going to print h. We're going to print q to be the multiplication of x and y, and w to be x divided by y. So when I run this code, so let me let me comment this part so we don't see them in the output. So we are having the sum of x and y, 25, which we expected here. The subtraction of x and y, which is 15, 15 is here. The multiplication of x and y is 100. And then the division of x and y, 4. So we see that here we could do some arithmetic operations using variables and direct numbers here. So this is basically how we do mathematical operations in Python. And it's a very good example, I think, for you to start coding as of these videos that we just started, because it would be nice to start coding and get used to the syntaxes and start to see if you're making any mistakes or not. And if you're making any mistakes, check your code with the code that I'm providing for you, and you will understand where the error comes from, and then you can improve from there. So I would suggest you to start coding right away so you get used to all the syntaxes. Thank you for watching.